Today is our lunch now. It's adobo. It's the original adobo
Version.
style version. It's
Philippine
after cooking, boiling the chicken and move the sauce. After I cook a prito. Yeah. After finish the prito chicken, I come back the
Sabaw.
sauce. Oh, sabaw. Sabaw in Tagalog. You know? Yes, it's the proper cooking of adobo style. Yeah. Well, after a brownie chicken.
Oh!
Oh, and chicken oil. No? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Very good, huh? Very good style. Oh. Nice cooking. Filipino style, huh? Very good.
Parang di ka naniniwala Pilipino style, ha?
Very good. That's Filipino style. Yeah. It's master cook. Yes, the beautiful wife, master cook. Yes, the tester. Yes, the tester. Oh, yes, the cam. No, you know the cam? Oh, yeah, the cam. Oh. Ayun, the tester, tikam. Oh, tikam. Very tikam. Yes. Oh.
Gusto kasi nila CB ang medyo
Hindi na
prito.
baka gusto namin.
Good.
Gusto kasi nila CB medyo prito.
After
Prito?
fritos, come back the sauce. Add the sauce. Oh, we're very good.
Sabay, baka na ano.
Yes, very good, huh?
Sarsa eh.
Oh, salsa.
Sarsa.
What the salsa?
Buko ka.
Yes. The number one cooker in the Philippines, Joanna Garcia.
Prepare ka na doon.
Oh, yes.
Ano ko na lang, babalik-baliktad ko na lang yan.
So, you know the balik-baliktad in Tagalog?
Ay, tingnan mo, Pia! Sinira ng pusa yung papel. Nilaro nila, oh.
Sa sobrang gutom na ng mga pusa, kinakain ng mga papel. You know?
Uy, tingnan mo yung papel!
Oh, you see the papel. Oh, kinakain na nila kasi nagugutom sila, you know, in Tagalog.
British.
And see, very good, mama. Yeah.
Tanggalin mo yung mga papel, oh.
Labas na dila niya, ha?
Pwede na.
Yummy. Oh, pwede na. In Tagalog, pwede na.
Titikman ko na.
Oh, I said my very wife, best cooker in the world. Oh, yummy.
By the way,